RelayWay R Pro off-road electric scooter review. Real power, range, and off-road proof. Have you ever pushed an electric scooter uphill and felt it slow to a crawl mid-slope? I watched a guy at a trailhead last summer step off his scooter in frustration because it simply could not handle his weight and the gravel path at the same time. That combination of underpowered and unreliable is the quiet frustration nobody talks about. Sound familiar? The tension builds when your commute and your weekend adventures need the same machine. You feel that heavy pressure of choosing between portability and actual power. Lightweight scooters fold nicely but buckle under real weight. Heavy-duty ones feel like moving furniture. You try workarounds, you read specs, and nothing quite lines up. There has to be a smarter, calmer way forward. Then everything changed when I found the RelayWay R Pro off-road electric scooter. Don't just pick any electric scooter. Make sure it has a true dual-motor system with a 400-pound tested capacity so you never waste time on underpowered machines that stall on hills or buckle under real-world weight again. Here is what surprised me about the RelayWay R Pro off-road electric scooter. The dual 800-watt hub motors deliver 3,200 watts combined when you need it, which means hills and gravel paths stop feeling like obstacles. The 10.5-inch pneumatic off-road tires grip asphalt, mud, and gravel without drama. The dual disc brakes with EABS stop you in 15 feet at 25 miles per hour, which feels like actual safety, not a specification. The 40 to 50-mile range in Eco Mode covers full commute days without charging anxiety. And the 3-step fold to 18 inches thick in 5 seconds means it actually fits in your trunk. A daily commuter I know nearly missed a client meeting because his old scooter died mid-route. He switched, rode 12 miles round trip the same week, and called it his most reliable tool. And the LCD display quietly tracking your battery and speed in real time, that is the calm control you actually want. Long-term use of the RelayWay R Pro off-road electric scooter tells a clear story. One verified owner logged over 700 miles across city streets, vacation trails, and gravel paths with zero overheating and only minor cosmetic scuffs. That is real-world durability, not a marketing promise. A YouTube reviewer who tested 7 scooters head-to-head ranked this one first, describing the acceleration as nearly throwing him off the back in sport mode and the braking as stopping on a dime at speed. An industry analyst highlighted the 400-pound capacity as one of the strongest in class, particularly relevant for heavier riders who are consistently underserved. Community feedback across forums consistently praises the suspension for absorbing rooted paths and uneven pavement without complaint. The most common hesitation is the 12-hour charging time. That is a real consideration, not something to dismiss. But for riders using this daily, charging overnight removes that friction entirely. What would change for you if your morning commute and your weekend trail ride required exactly one machine? The UL2272 certified battery, the 24/7 US support, and the free toolkit suggest a company building for the long run. The RelayWay R Pro off-road electric scooter delivers one clear transformation. A single machine that handles your commute, your trails, and your weight without compromise. Thousands of riders are already using it for both daily and adventure rides, with consistent results. Results may vary depending on terrain and rider weight. If you want real power, real range, and a build that lasts, check the affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.